How to share your Netflix account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can easily share your Netflix account with your friends or any other users. Now the process is actually quite simple, and if you're wondering how do you share your Netflix account, then it's quite simple. All you have to do is you'll have to give your Netflix username and password to the other person or to your friend that you want to share with. Now when that person logs in, now as you know, you'll have to simply open up the Netflix application, and once you do so, it'll show you the login page. All you have to do is the other person that received your ID and password will have to enter in the ID and the password similarly that you're logging in, and then they'll be able to use your account as well. Now if you give someone the password to the account, they'll have access to all your Netflix account information, so you want to make sure that you share wisely and with the trusted ones. The other thing is, if you share your Netflix account, and you can buy an upgrade that allows up to 4 devices to stream at the same time, or else you can just share it. So if you have a single screen account, then only one of you will be able to watch it at a time. Suppose you are streaming Netflix, then your friend won't be able to stream it at the same time from the other device, so you'll just have to do it turn-wise, or else you can share the Netflix account after you get an upgrade on which you can allow up to 4 devices to stream at the same time. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.